in Hua Hin, Thailand. This is Darlene.
Hello everybody.
Live tayo. We are live here. And this is one. Makikita mo ang ganda ng kapaligiran. What can you say about the beach here?
It's dark and the sand is very good. It's very fine and light.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy and I know it.
What can you say?
If you're happy, I can say if you're happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap
What can you
your
say to
hands.
people watching right now in our Facebook Live?
If you have time to go out and relax, if you ever go here in Penang, I recommend that you go here in Hua Hin.
And shout out to Madam Amanda. She's watching right now.
You want to go here, you have
Yeah.
you have to be.
There's so many subscribers and followers in our Facebook Live.
You have to be early. You have to come here at 12 or in the morning, so you would enjoy the view, and then you can stay here overnight and then go back home the next day.
I think you should go here because the view is really good. Dun ka, sundan kita. Kasi ang ganda nito. Dito ka. Hindi pwede yan, sa kabila naman. To Ria, pa Hampas ng hampas ng alon. Ang gamon sa
Okay, ano ka? Lakat ko.
Gahang sa kanila maglakat ko. Dili ka daro. Tunga. Sige. Elmer Ramos is watching right now. ID Mai. Hello, my dear student. ID Mai. Thank you so much for watching live right now. And Amanda. Elmer Ramos. And Ria Ballesteros watching. Ito ang ganda talaga ng beach resort. Parang Boracay. And there are so many people here. Ito yung Hua Hin. Kasi Darlene, ito yung Winakasan. I really like dog.
Ito si Tina.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Okay na ba mag-live?
Dapat, ganito talaga si Tina.
You're in Facebook Live.
Sa Tag-iya.
Hi. Is that okay to camera? Kuya Gilbert, live tayo.
Hi guys!
Maraming nanonood.
Sino? Sino lang dyan? Junjun?
Si Amanda.
Amanda?
Nanonood siya.
Hello! Sino pa?
Ito pang iba.
Viewers.
1,000.
Oh, patigil!
Aka na, kung diri ka no? Ang gahang sa yaman. Kulay po gahang. Gahang sa iyo. Nag-live, nagahang. Ay, nagalanta mo sa masang ngayong gabi kay Madam Coronel sang Gaston. Juvie Coronel. Ilan tao siya? Purok Gaston, no. Hi ko na sa imo. Siya na yung kwartahan sa Gaston. May pulo ka truck.
Wow.
Si Madam Juvie Coronel Agnes. Alin ba sa una, kilala na yung mga Agnes? Hamaya, good evening sa inyo tanan. Adlaw, sabong hindi aga, pwede. Isa lang ka oras ang advance ng Pinas. Kung alas 12, alas 11 di. Bold. Nasa balas eh. Gabi di, gabi. Parang gabi din kay Rico Reves Eustaquio sa pinsan kong si ano kaisa ko ni agwapo kasi may gabi Eustaquio Reves na iyang mama magpakadua kami
Di pangilala to.
basta tampaon niya ko blaw. Hello. Good evening. Si tampaon niya ko blaw. Hi. We are live in Facebook. Is that okay with you to be here? Say hi to your friends out there. What is your name again?
David.
David. From
You where you from?
Philippines.
Ah, okay. Was thinking was Thai. No, me Italy.
Italy. Say hi to your friends.
Yeah. Hello.
Ciao. Amigo.
Ciao, amigo.
Ciao.
Italia.
We have many friends in Italy.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
There's so many people watching right now.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Bye.
Bye.
Addio.
Bye. Ciao.
David.
David. Yeah.
David.
David. Yeah. David.
David. Your name.
Ciao.
Thank you.
Tingnan ba naman sa daw?
Facebook mo.
Preparar la cama para cantar.
ระวังคนฉี่นะครับ
Ano nang makeup mo?
ฉี่นะครับ ไลฟ์สดโว้
We're live now in Facebook.
ตกใจ
กินอะไรกินเบียร์
ใช่ครับ
โอ้ย
Ano sila?
พี่ก็กินด้วยได้ไหมครับ
Ano yung kuha ng Facebook yaw?
เดี๋ยวกลับมา
Ay. Mga bata pa na ewan niya sila yung pakialami.
Hindi ko pwede ko kainom.
Te.
Hindi wala ganit ang butilya na munamok kami.
Ay.
Yan bakal ka eh.
Lok ba?
Yan pwede ka kabakal.
Talaga mo na sa?
Oo, nag-join sa Amon.
Kadalok, manta na sa imo. Saka,
hindi inaani ang muli
Hangga na yan.
ito maliwanag na. Maliwanag ang buwan.
maliwanag ang buhay.
Yung sa unahan namin, sila yung mga...
Gaga, hindi ko napapakita.
Sabi ni Maria Juvie, oh, hala, ang kuldan, wala na kami truck, oy. Tarak-tarak na lang. Ay, Rico Teves Eustaquio. Kas ako na yung wapo. Kakita kami ito foreigner, oh. From Italy. At yun at kuman. Uy na, maging kuya Facebook, akalain mo na kasi tinampa na ito. Tayo ako po. Kadulong, hindi mo kita amon tsura, kapula. Away na ka mo truck, doon nakita ulit, may truck ang pulo ka bilog. Ay, ano mamasaw? Hindi mo guro.
Wala, din to.
May dala ko din.
Hala, naglibot ah?
Normal lang yan dito.
Siyempre, dagat man sa gwa. Hi!
Massage natin, di ba?
Keep living, take care. Okay, salamat, Madam Dunya. Saka namin, no? Kanaya sila palang kuan, no? Guma lang ni Blau, guma. Ka-cute sa ila palang kuan. Guma. Mas maganda pag araw, kuya.
Dito gusto ko dahil. Hindi o. Wala mag-book. Huwag muna. Kaya kadap niya sa balon.
Oo, no?
Hindi o.
Ikaw, alam mo dito, 1,000 lang.
Ang mura naman dito.
600 lang, pwede na.
Ang mura.
Yeah. 600 lang.
Ang mura na pala dito.
Dito kami dati.
Dito.
Mas maganda dito, mura lang.
Tanungin mo dahil.
Si Rima Guest House.
Gusto niyo pa dito na tayo.
Tanungin mo muna.
Eh, nakabayad naman ka?
Yeah. 10,000.
Ha?
Naglalag ka?
We are live na.
Ano man?
Live tayo ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa place nila?
Hello guys, we are here in Wahin and together with teacher Dan from Daruna Institute College. So I invited them, to explore
The beauty.
the beauty of Wahin. That's what I am talking about. Okay? So enjoy, Danny and Darlene. Okay?
Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Okay.
Patay. Disturbo. Darlene.
How many
Ay-
viewers do we have?
Yes, we have 3 viewers. Right now.
3,000 viewers?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay.
Because
good
you are
luck.
popular.
Really? And
Yeah.
who told you that?
Because you are popular in Facebook.
And who told
That's
you
why,
that?
that's why so many people following you.
Oh my.
Every time you going to live.
Oh wow. Okay.
And this is Darlene too. Darlene is very excited to swim.
Wala, hindi kayo excited mag-swim. Nakupato. Uy, may mga tuxedo pati yun.
Din. Italian pizza pala dito. Oh.
Boss.
I-live mo daw ako dito.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga tao dito? Are they are friendly or not?
Ha?
Maganda bang lugar na to kumpara sa Boracay?
Totoo.
Boracay is number 1,
Four.
of course.
This is for...
Let's go.
Ay, ang
okay.
pangit ko.
Hindi ah.
Ano?
Nakita mo dyan. Okay lang ah.
Barato lang mo.
Magkano?
900.
I told ya. I told ya.
Kaso kung hindi naman talaga alam, fully booked sila.
Thank you for watching live.
Book sila kaya?
Oo, pati ba?
Yan.
Karon?
Ano mo na? I-delete mo na tapos mag-ano ka ulit. Mag